I'm Betty White, and you're watching the Veterinary News Network.
There's an old saying that if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Well, that's true for your pet's medications as well. Now, many of you know about online pet pharmacies, but did you know about the pitfalls of relying on their services? Their ads guarantee huge savings and a promise to save you a trip to the veterinarian. But can online pet pharmacies really provide everything your pet needs? An important thing to remember is that your pet must have a physical exam at least once a year for any veterinarian to prescribe medications. Websites promising no prescription needed should be avoided at all costs. Even the FDA is warning pet owners about this. Your veterinarian has your pet's complete medical record available. This is especially important if your pet is on several medications, has reactions to certain drugs, or needs a special formula. The online store simply won't be able to help you with this. In the case of life-threatening emergencies, your veterinarian is only a phone call away. These online pet pharmacies don't even offer a phone number in the case of an emergency. The team at your veterinary hospital also knows your entire pet family. This is very important to prevent problems when giving medicine for households with multiple species of pets. Whatever the concern is, chances are your veterinarian can help you work through it. Many veterinarians now use approved online pharmacies through their own websites with prices that are comparable to the big internet sources. And for most medications, your veterinarian offers the convenience of having the prescription available immediately from their own pharmacy, saving you a trip to another pharmacy, waiting time, driving time, shipping costs, and gets your pet back to normal sooner. Now, the FDA has expressed many concerns with online pet pharmacies, and it urges pet owners to use them with caution. Look, open communications with your veterinarian can often help prevent misunderstandings about cost and help you do what's right for your pets. For the Veterinary News Network, I'm Dr. Jim Humphries. I'll see you next time.